Hi, I'm going to show you how to sign into Read 180 and take your independent reading quiz for your independent reading rotation. The first thing is after you've already signed into the platform, go to the top left menu bar and select Bookshelf. From here, you'll see three options: My Bookshelf, All Books, and My Reading History. If you've never signed in before, you'll be prompted to update your reading goals. Click Edit My Reading Goals and select Lexile. Ask your teacher for your Lexile based on your MAP assessment that you took at the beginning of the school year. You can set your goals for how many words you'd like to read, how many books you'd like to read, and how many quizzes you'd like to take. If you've been in here previously, you'll already see what you're currently reading if you're reading any ebooks. In addition, you can set up topics. Editing your topics will bring up books that are related to things that you are interested in reading about. You can also scroll down below and just find trending books that are popular amongst teenagers across the nation. The next thing you'll want to do is go to All Books. From here, you can find books that you either want to read online or also to take any quizzes for books that we have quizzes for that are in paperback. Notice you can select and search by Lexile, topic, and format. So if you want to just read an ebook, you can select ebook only. If you want paperback only, you can select that. If you've read a paperback and you're trying to find out if there's a quiz for it, you can type in the title and they might come up. If it does, you can select it. Notice this is only a paperback book, which is clarified on here, and then it allows you to take a quiz. If it was an ebook, it would have another button over on the right side to say it's available in that form as well. Once you go into the quiz, you can select take the standard quiz, or you can take one that's more challenging if you think you're a professional of that book. After you've completed it, the score will go to your teacher and will be updated in the system. If you'd like to select and check out anything that you've read over the course of your time in this class, all of that will be recorded here as well. If you have any further questions, please check with your teacher.